my name is Fer, and today we're going through 12 levels of alternate picking. This is level 1. And this is level 12. Same technique, different levels. Let's find out where you are. The tabs are in a free PDF, the link's in the description. Level 1, quarter notes on a single string. 1, 2, 3, 4. One note per beat, nothing else happening, no string changes, no complexity, just the pick moving cleanly. This is the foundation, don't rush this. 3, 4. Level 2, same string, double the notes, 8 notes. The motion is the same. This is where you start feeling where your pick is moving efficiently or working too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Level 3, triplets, and for the first time we add another string. 3, 4. Three notes per beat, 2 strings. The pick motion now has to cross strings. 3, 4. Level 4, 16 notes per beat. More notes, more ground to cover. The fretting hand and the picking hand need to land exactly at the same time on every note. 3, 4. If you feel like you can move it around the fretboard. Level 5, quintuplets, 5 notes per beat. Five doesn't divide evenly into the beat the way 2, 3, or 4 does. You're feeling a pulse that sits slightly against the beat. The rhythm is the challenge here, not the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Level 6, sextuplets, 6 notes per beat. Also, if you feel like, move it around the fretboard. Level 7, 30-second notes. Any inefficiency in the pick motion is audible here. For the next level, level 8, we will raise the tempo to 120 BPM. We were playing in 100 BPM for the previous examples, and now we will raise the tempo to 120. We will play sextuplets, but this time traveling across 5 strings, ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. One more time, 3, 4. Level 9. Level 9 is the same as level 8, but with one addition. We will mute the strings as we go up. 3, 4. The picking hand now picks and mutes at the same time. Every string you leave behind has to be silenced. 1, 2, 3, 4. Level 10, the phrase goes up and comes back down. 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. The direction reversal is where the pick motion, the string transitions and the muting all have to work in both directions without stopping. Level 11, don't stop, a continuous loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Level 12, everything from the previous 11 levels in one continuous loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it somewhere else. That's 12 levels of alternate picking. Find where you are and work up from there. The tabs are in a free PDF, the link is in the description. And if you want to learn some of the best picking exercises, this is the video you have to watch. I'll see you there.